and stack the stuff in the fridge, and I'm gonna show y'all, okay? So let's just start by this. I got a lot of like old stuff that needs. So got the sponge. What you doing, Maddie? I'm just gonna wipe. Huh?
Yeah.
You gonna help me put this? I can't stand people who they refrigerators be dirty as hell. Yeah. I got me a that shit is amazing. Oh my god. Bread, it's okay. Potato bread or like butter bread. It's naan. Y'all gotta fuck with this, especially if you cook. See, I love to cook, so when I cook, I like to use stuff like this or whatever. A taco kit, because we make tacos in this house like every other day. Taco kit, berries. I got some strawberries, so we gonna put this. What's this? Fruit punch iced tea, Arizona. Cucumber. I got me some peppers. Okay, I got some chips with some queso salsa. This is like a really healthy. I wouldn't say healthy. I'm about to die, y'all. I got some milk. I got some jasmine. Can never go wrong with some jasmine rice. I got some candy. I got some motherfucking black beans. Chicken. Some Arby fries. Yeah. I got some pork. Okay. French dressing. Anybody know me, they know. I think I'm. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So this is how my cabinet looks. I have like this one right there too. So I have to be stacked. Dishes, I have to do dishes. Like, I wish I had a dishwasher. You know what I'm gonna start doing in the future? I ain't gonna tell y'all, but I'm gonna get a motherfucking them people that come to your house and they clean for you. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that because the bitch is busy. But yeah, YouTube family, that's it for the video. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the grocery store and just show you guys me putting it in my apartment, you know, because this is the kitchen area, the bathrooms back there, the rooms. Yeah, I definitely want to do a house tour. I'm definitely going to do a house tour for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, and it's just going to be lit. Y'all just going, I'm telling y'all, I got so much content, so much entertainment for y'all. Y'all stay tuned, okay? You want to say hi to my YouTube family?
Yeah.
This is my daughter.
Hi.
Say, me and my daughter, and you say bye. Low-key shy, but not really, you know.